Hi friends, today I am with the Titan Smart Traveler and this is one of the premium category smartwatch by Titan. Earlier we have seen Fast Track series which will be more on the entry segment, but this is on the premium segment. The price written on the box is around 19,000, but that is not the final price. The color of the smartwatch what we got is the blue color. It is written also the strap is in the blue and also the strap material leather is in the blue. Once you open the box, you will find the smartwatch inside it. As you can see, it is blue in color and there is also the price tag with that. Now, if I take the box open and here in the box you can see few more things. It includes the warranty card. It includes an extra band inside which is present, which is a good thing because it comes with a leather band and also one rubberized band, and inside that there is a user guide. I will definitely request you guys to check it out. It also comes with a charger which is a dock charger, so you don't need to plug in. It is not a pogo pin charger which we used to see earlier. Now there is a plastic wrap which I am peeling out from the back also. After that you are good to go, and you can swap the bands with the rubberized one or the leather one. This will be helpful while using it in with the formal wear and also with the casual wear, so you can also replace the band very easily. Now it shows this QR code which I will show you later, and here is the dock pin charger. It comes with the type C connected in the dock and the other side will be the USB type A. So this is how you will do the charging. I will definitely recommend you guys to do a full charge before using this. Once it is done, then you can scan the code and do the rest of the things. Now going to a little bit in detail, it comes with the real-time heart rate monitor. It has a SpO2 monitor. It comes with the sleep monitor. It can run up to 5 days. It has a IP68 water resistant rating. It is weighing only 40.3 grams. It has a music storage facility and also you can do a remote music. It comes with the speakers and this is the mic on the other side. We will talk about each and everything in detail. You get the Bluetooth 5.3 for connectivity and it is compatible with iOS 11 and above and also in the Android version 2. It comes with the 2 strap, which is a good thing. Here is the Titan Smart World. This is the app which you need to connect with your smartwatch. So after logging into the going into the app, just swap it and then it will ask you to give the permission. Once you accept all the permission, then the next thing will be it will ask you for the battery optimization. I will definitely ask you to disable it, and then it will ask your phone number so that it can connect, and few more permission will be required like your camera, notifications, Bluetooth, and also few more things. So here once you scan it, it will take some time for the pairing. Just let it pair, be a little bit patient. Now one more thing I want to mention, that it comes with the 5 volt of charging capacity and the battery amount is 300 milliampere. It will also ask you for the location. I will just request you to go and give the permission to find the location because it comes with a built-in GPS system. Even it will ask for the weather and also DND. For DND also you have to go and give the permission to the app. Once you have given the permission, you can do the DND from your smartwatch. Also the quick reply for that. Now coming to that app, here you can see few things. It includes the community, the watch faces which we will talk a later bit, and going to the final in the settings. In the settings it will ask you to give the location settings. It has a step goal, sleep goal, multi sports goal. The best part of multi sports goal, it comes with the 110 plus sports and it does auto detect sports too. It has a auto HR, auto stress, auto SpO2. Even you can connect with your Google account, which is a Google Fit account, and just do that because it will sync all your data here. It comes with a sedentary alert too. It has a hydration reminder. If you want, you can switch that on to. It has a high HR rate, which is heart rate alert too. If your heart rate goes high, you can get the alert. There is a low SpO2 alert. Just turn it on. This will be helpful and useful at the same time. There is high stress alert too. If you go to the my watch section, in that you can find where your watch is. If you do the start searching, you can see your watch will start ringing and you can find your watch where you have kept. So this is a good function. There is Alexa compatibility. For that you have to go and give the permission. First you have to do the login and also the authorization. Once the authorization is done, it will take few seconds to pair up with Alexa, and you can give all the permission request and you can use that from your smartwatch. So it is a great function, and I have just given the permission for that. It will ask for the location. Once it is done, it will good to go for the Alexa also. Now coming to few more things which are left here, it has a quick reply, so you can enable that and you can reply from your smartwatch only. There is a unit system. If you want to change that, you can change it to from here in the settings menu. You also get lift to view. This is just turn off right now. You can turn it on too. There is a favorite contact, SOS, unpair, alarm, weather, music enable and disable. You can do that remote music too from this smartwatch. The world clock, there is firmware update. I would definitely request you guys to check that. Even there is also update GPS, so definitely we will do the updating the GPS. It will take some time, you if you have a good internet connection, but just be patient. Once it is done, it will be much more easier for GPS location. Once the GPS is updated, you have few more settings. If you want, you can go and check that too. It includes that there edit multi sports, and there is also battery optimization. I will definitely recommend you to do that. Even for notifications, you can switch to all the apps, which apps you want to get the notification, including your WhatsApp, Facebook, X, which is earlier it was Twitter. Now changing the watch face, it will not take much time. There is more than 110 watch faces, and you can explore them. Even you can search from yourself for the colors, casual look, and even you can make a customized use by using a picture from the gallery or take a picture from the camera instantly. So it is a very useful function. Now coming to the watch face, there are too many watch face to select. I will find something which is very interesting. I will also remind you guys, if you want to change the watch face, you need an active internet connection, and it needs a good internet speed to do that. So once you install the watch face, it will hardly take much time. Just be a little bit patient for that, and once it is done, you can see at the same time it is updating the watch face on the smartwatch too. I will definitely recommend you guys to check it out. If you guys have any question, you can ask it in the community section. It is a kind of challenge to your friends and family and in the community to see the goals to take it out. And here is some of the offers what you get with this. This is I will remind you, this is a premium category smartwatch by Titan. Now I will again swap the leather band because it looks much more premium feel and also gives a premium feel and design after wearing. In the app also, here you can see a few changes once I wear it, and will show you there is SpO2 update, there is stress update, even your sleep counter is active, heart rate monitor is also showing you. So all the features what it is happening on your smartwatch will be shown here. And even in the music, if you have songs downloaded here, you can add them and you can play them offline too. You can also save some of the music in this smartwatch, which is a good thing. I still don't know the clarification on how much storage the smartwatch is having. If you tap on longer on the watch face, you can see multiple watch face options are available. Currently I will switch to the one which I installed recently, and it comes with the AMOLED display, which is a 1.79 inches. The display quality is very premium, and in this you are getting few more things. It includes application here and also the fitness. There are few goals, tools, each and everything is available if you swipe from left to right. Once you do that, you can see few things in. Even here you can see the calorie count, the time of your sports count, and also number of times you have done the walking. Even in this, the best part is that it has a single button to do the counting for SpO2, the stress and heart rate. It will take some time, but only one click will give you the exact result. Still, I will tell you that just be a little bit patient, because once it is done 100%, then only you can get the result. So you have to be a little bit patient. Now after this, you can do the measurement yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask for us in the comment section. Now after swiping more, you can see there is a sleep count also. The weather is also available. Even you can do the music change. If you have stored the music inside it, you can also change that. Even it can use as a remote music player. Now, if you go to the upper swipe, this is a notification panel log where you can see the battery percentage, it is paired or not, the timing, and even few more settings. Start and see a little bit deeper what are these settings. So the first option what we are getting, this is for the DND mode, do not disturb mode, and once it is on, even lift to view. So I will show you how to do the lift to view. Then there is silent mode on or off. You can change the brightness from here, and if you are draining with water, if you have used it during the swimming or by mistake a water bin it comes in contact with water, you can definitely try this draining. You can find your phone using this finding phone button. Your phone will start ringing. This is the flash torch which will be useful when you are in a critical low light situation or in a dark place. There is also few things in the setting, and let's go and see the settings first. So here is the watch face, and there is also always on display, which I will definitely recommend you guys to put it on. There is some options for always on watch face too, because it will consume a little more battery, but it is helpful because you can see the time without lift to view. Now there is silent mode, you can switch it on or off. Even in the sports volume you can increase, the system volume can be also changed, and once it is done, there is also call ringtone. So you are getting a call, you can use a different ringtones. There are a bunch of ringtone music is available. Even also for the notification sound, you can change the notification sound too with the three options: Bolu, Ding, Free or None. There is vibration mode, currently it is in moderate. I like the strong vibration, so I am putting that. So you can have an option of that too. Now let's go a little bit back. You can connect with the earphone directly. The layout can be changed. So currently I will do the grid and the checkbox. So first I am putting in the grid. Now you can see the menu, it is in the grid menu. Now let's check the other one. This is the checkboard. So this is how the checkboard will show you 4 menus at a time, which is a good thing. And there is another layout. This is all about the customization what you want. There is a list menu too. Now let's check out the list menu. So this is how it will show you. Currently I am in the list menu. It will be much more easier for me to go through. Then there is do not disturb mode. There is auto sports mode detection. This is for 4 or 5 modes, which is a very good thing you don't see in an entry level smartwatch. It shows also the battery percentage, what is left. You can go in the system, do the restart, power off or reset too. This is how you can connect your device scanning the QR code. Now in the settings, I will show you one more thing. The display brightness can be changed. The screen on time can be changed to maximum 30 seconds, which is a good thing. And even you can raise the bar. Now this is the always on display, you can see. And this is a watch face, normal watch face of the watch. So if it is in the always on mode, it will show you this kind of display. Now the maximum screen on time is 20 seconds. Even lift to view is on. Even it comes with the dedicated Alexa in it. Once you switch it on, you ask what is the temperature today. It will show you the current temperature and status. Any question you have, the Alexa will show you, which is a great thing because it comes with the inbuilt Alexa app. So this is also another useful feature. Now going to the apps, you have the multi-sports app where you can get all the sports what you want to go. It comes with the 110 sports. Even in the phone you can go call, do the calling through this. The weather will be shown here, which is very good thing. And even you can have the music inside the watch. You can do the storage. You can use it as a remote shutter. It has a timer where you can use it for alarm, stopwatch or world time also. There is find phone, flashlight and settings. I have already shown you. Now I will show you how the Bluetooth calling works. So if somebody is calling, I will get the call. Here you can see there is a disconnect option. There is also pick the call and there is a quick reply. So currently I am disconnecting the call. Now I will pick the call and show you few more features what it gives you while using the Bluetooth calling. Now once I get the call, let's see. And the missed call is also comes in the notification. So if I am getting a call and I pick the call, now I will see what are the options what I am getting. So there is a mute option. you can increase the volume and also decrease the volume at the same time. You can mute and unmute too, and the call quality is good. The person on the other side can hear me very properly. It also has the ambient noise tracking facility. It comes with the primary, medium and advanced modes of running. It also has the unisex Panda glass. It comes with the 12 months of warranty. Now talking about the price point, it comes with the 12,995. It comes with the premium price, but it offers also some premium quality features including in this smartwatch. So this is all about Titan Smart Traveler. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.